Hello, good afternoon, guys. I'm Joseph, and today I'm going to be doing this short tutorial on how to install WordPress websites on Local by Flywheel. It's a very good and fast alternative compared to installing WordPress on XAMPP. So quickly, let's go into it. First, we need to download Local by Flywheel. So I'm going to search google.com to be very fast. If there's anything you don't understand, just ask in the comment section and I would give you a reply. So Local by Flywheel, I click on it and it's loading the tab for me. So go to the field having this website, localwp.com. so click on localwp.com. So very simple and easy. The features for Local by Flywheel are here. The live developers, blah blah blah. So one click WordPress installation. I told you it's very fast, simple and easy compared to installing on XAMPP, WAMP or any of those alternative. Also for advanced development feature, you can use SSH on this for local connects to push and pull websites online and offline. But this today is not to show you all the features of Local by Flywheel, but just to teach you how to install the WordPress on it. So quickly, I'm going to click on download now. So you choose your platform, whether Mac, Windows or any of the Linux variants. So I'm going to click on Windows. So you enter your name, or where you enter your preferred name. I believe your name is not my name. So enter your mail, whatever your mail is. Then you enter your phone number. Then you click on get it now. So immediately you should get it downloading. You see, you click on keep. Then if you not get this prompt, you can just click you should start download. So your download will start automatically. So I don't need to download again, I already have that. So if once you are done downloading, you can double click on this, then you are going to join me in the next section. So now you are going to get all this prompt after you double click on the installed executable file. So just keep pressing next until you finish the installation. Nothing much about this, just like the same way you download your normal software. So once you are done installing, you make sure it is showing on your desktop, then you can come to the next session. So now I believe after installation, if you are not launching it directly, it should show like this on your desktop. So you can just come to your desktop and check this logo. It's going to show you this tooltip, create local WordPress sites with ease. So you should double click on this, and if you can't go via this, just visit your file manager or file explorer, click on local disk C, click on program files, x86 or x32, whichever you are on. Then you're going to click on the folder called local. So it is here. Here's it. There's the app. So you can just send it to desktop in order to be able to read on your desktop, create a shortcut. So quickly, let's open local and see and quickly create our WordPress websites with local. Okay, good, cool guys. Now I've loaded local and it's giving me this prompt to install latest updates. I don't need to install any latest updates. Remind me later. We just want to do a tutorial now. So let me enlarge this. So for you new users, all this place is going to be empty. So you need to quickly create a new website. So to create a new website, you will just click on the plus button here. This addition button is to add local site. So let me click on plus. Quickly, it says what's your site name. So I'm going to create my site name as my first. We use my first for one of our tutorials. In case you've not watched my tutorial on installing WordPress on with XAMPP, you can kindly watch it. There should be a link below. So local site domain myfirst.com is going to be named, and the site is going to be saved at this path. It's going to save at this path. I'm going to show you that part very soon. Use blueprint or not. I don't want to use any blueprint. So continue. So to choose your environment, you can use the preferred MySQL, PHP, and web server, Nginx server, but I like freedom, so I'm going to choose PHP 7.3.5. I don't have these PHP versions downloaded, so I could have. So Nginx, or I prefer using Apache, but I've been used to that. So, but I'm going to use Nginx because it's not downloaded. I'm going to use MySQL 8.0.16. I'm used to that. So these are my own settings. PHP version 7.3.5, web server Nginx, and my database client is going to be MySQL 8.0. So I'm clicking on next. So my WordPress username is going to be my first, and my WordPress password is going to be my first also. Let me make that visible. Cool. And my developer email, okay, you can use any developer email you like. Also, these are not constant. So do you want a multi? No, I don't need a multi-site. I just want this to be my first.com. It's not my first dot whatever. So let me click on add site. So now it's creating site folders. It's going to run some configurations automatically. Now, if we're using XAMPP, you need to do some things manually. You create your database table and all those intermediate things, but here Local by Flywheel is going to help you make that process very fast. So let's just wait, pause, and play this when it is done. So guys, while starting up site services, your firewall might have blocked something, so you need to allow some of these options. Please make sure your internet data is on, because you might need to download a version of WordPress to your local environments. So bingo guys, our site is now ready. If you see this green sign near it, it means the site is running live. And also you can check here to stop the site. It means the site is already on, so we can now visit our site, that is myfirst.com. so let's just check what's in the site now. So I'm going to copy and paste. I'm doing a Ctrl+C here, or Command+C, based on your OS. So let me just open this and enter myfirst.com and see what's on there. Okay, because no SSL is installed, proceed to myfirst.com. That prompt may be different based on your browser. Good, our site has been installed, myfirst.com. And also, if you check you can check your admin site to log in. Cool, /admin. You can also use wp-admin there. So myfirst.com. I use my first. Okay, let me take that out. Let's see. I hope my details are correct. Yes, they are. So guys, we've installed a WordPress website on local by Flywheel. So please let me know if you enjoyed the tutorial, and if there's anything you want me to change about this in order to serve you guys better, please let me know. So you can kindly like, subscribe, and share this video with other developers or WordPress enthusiasts so they can enjoy this. Thank you very much, and please stay in touch. I'm going to be releasing more tutorials as time goes on. I'm doing it at least minimum or maximum like 2 tutorials per week, so please enjoy. Thank you very much. Peace.